See you, Martin Design. Woof woof. Hi guys, so today we're gonna do a draw with me video. Let's get started. Woo! So today, so we're first starting with pencil, but I think it's just too boring to do it. 1, 2, 3. Magic will help. Wow, well that helped. Yeah, so now it's much easier because the magic, the basic sketch of the head. Yes. Now we gotta do the basic sketch of the nose, mouth, and eyes. Sorry if you can see my head there. I'm very sorry. I just yeah. Yeah, so we're starting off with 3 circles for the nose, 3 for the mouth. I'm not gonna get into this that much because I've already talked about this on my channel. I did a tutorial like some days ago. I did how to draw video on nose, mouth, and sorry because my head is so I'm not gonna get into it too much. Go ahead, enjoy. That looks kind of creepy. Not gonna lie. Now I'm gonna do some shading on the nose and just make it more realistic. Isn't the nose looking much better from 3 balls to a very realistic nose? I think that you can, if you're curious, I said go watch my tutorial on how to do them. Disclaimer, at the end I was not that happy with the result, so yeah, on camera you can't very much see it, but that was so I'm not very happy with the result, but yeah. So this part you can also enjoy and just watch, enjoy the time lapse. Oh, my pencil is broken. I can't. It's so hard to fix it. Look, like I don't like it. Some magic will help, maybe. 1, 2, 3. Now the pencil is fixed. Well, let's get to drawing then. Just pointing out, isn't my background nice? Do you like it? Because I like it. I mean, I bought it. I bought it because I liked it. Yeah. Don't you realize it actually looks like Caroline? Like the Caroline movie, the Button Eyes film, you know? The other mother in the film, the Button Eyes. Do you see now? I'll put a picture up in the corner. Can't you see? Look, the resemblance in the movie. It's almost the same. Yeah. Anyways, now starting with the real eyes, like the real, not the button eyes. Yeah, the eyes took a long time because they were not perfect. Oh, I hate that. I forgot. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video, and if you like every video I do, if you like this video, go ahead and follow me. What you waiting for, buddy? Forgot. If you also want to share this video, go ahead and do that. Share it to everybody you know, please. So now I'm drawing the eyes. Yeah, not much to say about this part. It's eyes. Here I'm showing the artwork. Here's the eye, almost done. Yeah, just some touching up. And we're gonna do the same for the other eye. I don't want to ruin the video talking so much. So here's some minutes without talking. So hard. Ugh. So we're coming to the final stretch. It's 8 or 9 minutes left from the video. So yeah, I had very much trouble like with the second night. It's so hard, like yeah. So I tried my best to copy the other eye. Yeah, that's why it takes 8 minutes more. You see, I was very much struggling with the eye, but I finally almost got it. Yeah, so now I realized it's like 10 minutes, so I was like, oh my gosh. I gotta hurry. Yeah, so I did the neck, and then I did the hair. It's kind of satisfying to do the hair, so I'm gonna stop talking. Did you even see my fingers? Oh my god. Wow. Almost done, and sorry for lying to you. I thought the video was 18 minutes, but it's only 12. Oh, I didn't see that, but it's almost done. Bye. Hearts, hearts, hearts.